Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Miro versus Whiteboard. We'll explore their core functionalities, collaboration features, and ideal use cases to help you decide which platform best suits your team's needs. Miro provides an expansive digital workspace, while Microsoft Whiteboard offers a streamlined, integrated experience. Understanding their differences is key to enhancing your team's productivity and creative processes. Let's dive in and see how they stack up. When it comes to features, Miro truly shines with its extensive toolkit. It offers more than 100 pre-built templates, perfect for everything from agile planning to customer journey mapping. You'll find robust diagramming tools, sticky notes, and even voting functionalities. Microsoft Whiteboard, on the other hand, provides a more focused experience, emphasizing freeform drawing, basic shapes, and text, making it excellent for quick, spontaneous ideation sessions. Collaboration is central to both platforms, but their approaches differ. Miro offers extensive third-party integrations, connecting with hundreds of popular tools, and allows easy guest access for external collaborators. Microsoft Whiteboard, however, is deeply embedded within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, providing seamless sharing and integration with applications like Teams and OneNote. Both platforms support real-time multi-user editing, ensuring everyone can contribute simultaneously to the shared canvas. So, which one is better for you? Miro is fantastic for complex projects, detailed workshops, and design thinking, especially with its free tier offering 3 editable boards. Microsoft Whiteboard is perfect for quick brainstorming, simple ideation, and teams already heavily invested in the Microsoft 365 suite, where it's often included. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your team's specific workflow, project complexity, and integration needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.